Hello again, this is Live or you call me Victory. I'm a baker, a mathematician, and a child of God. In our last maths class, we learned about algebra, and today I would like us to talk more on the coefficients, which I noticed that most students have issue with. So we're having a maths class today, and we're learning coefficients. So this is our topic for today: coefficients of unknown. Coefficients of unknown. Now, in our last class, I made us understand that coefficients of an unknown number is that number attached to the unknown. So if you have come across algebra, or you are good with algebra, or you paid attention in our last class, you will notice that we explained algebra as the use of letters, symbols to represent unknown numbers. So most times when we have those letters and symbols representing our unknown numbers, there is always a number attached to those symbols or letters. Now those numbers attached to the letter, let's say S for instance, if we have something like 2S, the unknown there is S. Why the 2 is called the coefficient of S, since or even 5S. The unknown here now is S. Y 5 is the coefficient. Now, like I was saying, the 5 is the coefficient here. Y S is the unknown. So you can just say coefficient of S. So when they ask what is the coefficient of S, they just ask you what number is attached to the unknown S. That's 5. Now, in situations when they give you something like minus 7S and they ask for the coefficient of S, you still ask yourself what number is attached to S. The minus is not useless. The coefficient here is minus 7. If they give you 8y over 5 and they ask what number is attached to y, this is a fraction, so you don't ignore it. The coefficient here is that 8 over 5 is a number. 8 over 5 is a number. Remember that 8y over 5 is the same thing as 8 over 5 times y. So the coefficient is 8 over 5. And also, if we have something like this, 1 plus 2y over, or let me just use this, 1 plus 2y, and they ask you for the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y is the number attached to y, just 2. 2 is the number attached to y. The 1 there is just a distraction. So our coefficient here is 2. Then if I have 2 plus 3s over 5, the coefficient here is, this thing is something as 2 over 5 plus 3s over 5. If you break down this fraction, and the coefficient of s here is the 3 over 5. So the coefficient is 3 over 5. This other one is a distraction. Your coefficient is just the 3 over 5. So in case you also have this, what is the coefficient here? What's the coefficient of y? Can you try that? The coefficient. So minus 1 is the coefficient. Then if I have 2 minus 3y over 4, the coefficient of y is the minus 3 over 4. So whenever it's a fraction, you take the numerator and the denominator. So minus 3 over 4 is the coefficient of y. I don't know if this has been helpful, but you can ask any form of question in the comment section. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And I hope this was helpful. See you next time. Remember, I'm Love. You can call me Victory. Thank you and God bless you.